Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an important AI tool which will be very useful for us to write our research paper and create different contents, and also it will help by providing chat option in this particular AI tool. So we will go on and explore that AI tool. Before going to our today's video, so an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI toolbox. The main objective of this workshop is to explore what are the different AI tools available to write research article and what are the important AI tools which will be specifically for a particular portion of a research paper. For example, say if you want to write a literature review, what are the important AI tools and what are the free AI tools also be used to write literature review. So like that, we are going to explore section wise representation by using AI tool of a research paper, and also we are going to explore the ChatGPT prompts. What are the important ChatGPT prompts can be useful for research article preparation. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our workshop. So the link for the registration will be given in the description of the video. So see you on our workshop. Another important announcement is that we are going to conduct a technical workshop, that is live MATLAB workshop on advanced control and energy system modeling. So this workshop is all about optimization of PI controlled parameter for DC to DC converter. So here you can see design of LNC parameter for buck and boost converter, open loop simulation and closed loop simulation of buck and boost converter with PID tuning, and also modeling of grid connected PV system. So modeling of PV system, modeling of maximum power point tracking, and modeling of PV grid connected inverter, and also the modeling of PV based EV charging station, modeling of PV battery and EV battery system. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this online workshop on, that is live MATLAB workshop on advanced control and energy system modeling. So don't forget to register this workshop also. We are going to give link of this workshop in the description of the video. So see you on our workshop. So moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Moline AI. So what you have to do is just to click on Moline AI. So you will be getting a dashboard like this here. So you can you can log in with your email ID. So after that you will be getting a dashboard. You will be having the different options called templates, documents, chat. So these are the different options available. So first I am going to give templates. So let us see what are the different templates available. So here first for ads, you will be having Facebook ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads. So next for blogging, you will be seeing blog conclusion, blog outline, entire blog post from outline. So proofreader, rewrite paragraph, tone detector. Next for e-commerce, you will be having product description, product features table, product name. Next for email, email reply, email subject, write emails, general, you can see paste on any text and let Moline fix the typos error for you. So our while preparing a research paper, we are subjected to many typo error. So here it will be a very useful tool to make your typo error fixed, and also you can see new ideas, you can generate new topic, and long paragraph writer, simplify text. Next TDL summary, so summarize long paragraphs into single sentence. Next for legal, there are different options. Then for marketing, you will be having SEO blog post for outline. So next related with real estate sales. Next related with social media, it will be having post, that is like Instagram caption, Instagram hashtag, etc. Next for students, you will be having important option. So cite this for me, debate arguments, entire essay from outline. So equations in LaTeX, equations in Python. Next essay outline, essay section, poem analysis, discussion ideas. So and also for writing, you will be having motivational speech. So if you want to present students who are struggling to make a presentation, so you can come here and have this option called motivational speech. This is a new new option in this templates. This is the first time I am seeing this kind of templates. Motivational speech, short novel, write a poem, screenwriter. Next, related with YouTube, you will be having YouTube channel description, YouTube channel name, YouTube ideas, so like that, YouTube scripts. So as far as research is concerned, you can use this option. that is for students. You can create citations for your text. Next, you can make a essay from an outline. Next important thing is that equations in LaTeX, convert text to equations in LaTeX code. So convert your equations into Python code. So you can convert this equations into Python code. So you can make use of this option for this conversion, and you can generate essay outline. So just we will explore that one, essay outline. So I am going to give renewable energy use in future power sector. So what is the focus of the essay? So the main focus of the essay 2 is to reduce CO2 emission by using renewable energy effectively. So this is the caption, that is the focus I am going to give. So here you can give formality or preferred formal pronouns. So like that it will be asking. If you want, you can enable. So it's your wish. Click on generate. So here you can see that is the outline of our essay is generated. So we have clicked an option called essay outline. So here introduction, importance of reducing CO2 emissions, overview of renewable energy sources, advantages of using renewable energy into power sector, challenges and barriers to effectively renewable energy to use, strategies to overcome challenges and promote renewable energy adoption, case studies of successful renewable energy projects. So conclusion, the future of renewable energy in reducing CO2 emissions. So like that you can make use of this option. And here you will be having another option is called AI check. So what I am going to do is to copy this, I am going to click that AI check. So great, this looks like it was written by human, not AI. So like that it will be having enabled AI check. So if you want, you can check anything also. So this is a first option here, that is how to write an essay outline. So like that, so you can go and write this blog conclusion and blog outline or blog post from an outline. So like that you can make use of this option. So our important thing is that general here, these are the important things will be very useful for our research paper writing. So the first one is fix typos. Paste any text and Moline fix the typos for you. So in order to explore that fixed typos, I am going to open a common paragraph, that is common content. So I am going to copy and paste this paragraph. So let us see how it will rectify the problem associated with that particular paragraph. So click on fix typos. So enter that paragraph and generate. So here what are the fixes made? So this is the paragraph which is which is avoided the typos error after this after entering in this fixed typos page. So here removed unnecessary line breaks, corrected capitalization errors. So these are the two different important typo error associated with that particular paragraph. So you can make use of this option to get your typos error rectified using this AI tool. So as we are subjected to many typos error during research or paper preparation, so you can use this kind of option to avoid this typos error. Next I am going to explore this option called simplify text. So here you will be having 10 plus languages, you can make use of this also. So I am exploring in English generally. So here Moline helps you to simplify difficult text into everyday language. So I am going to generate the text. If you are studying any articles or any research paper, if you are struggling to understand a particular thing or a particular paragraph, so you can copy and paste here. So it will explain in it that is simplified text words. So PV systems are machines that turn sunlight into electricity. They are not the same as the solar technologies that use sunlight for heating or cooling. A solar array is a group of solar panels. As like that, it will generate a common daily language text to understand that content even better. So you can make use of this option. And the next one is that, so you will be having paragraph, generate any paragraph on any given topic. It's like what we have done before for create outline. So just you can give a title, and this title can be converted into paragraph. So the another option is that here you can see entire essay. So it is like the same topic only, generate an entire essay which is around 500 words long. Please double click there to check as references. So in order to explore that equations in Python, so convert your equations into Python code. So what I am going to do is I am going to copy and paste the equations here. So here copy this equation. So this is a common equation which represents your PV, that is PV current. I is equal to IPV minus I naught exponential of V by alpha Vt minus 1. So what I am going to do is I am going to copy and paste the equation here, and I am going to click generate. So here for this you will be having this code in Python for the equation. So if you want to analyze that equation, or you want to run that particular equation in any language, you can make use of this option to convert that equations into code. So you can convert for Python, and also you can convert it for, so here you can see here. So equations into latex. So here we have explored that how to convert that equations into Python code. So you can make use of this option to for this conversion process. So these next you will be having this dissertation ideas. So let Moline help you to come up with the ideas for your university dissertation. So if you are struggling to write a project report, you can make use of this option to write. So these are the important options present in this Moline AI. So there are different unique options like generation of motivational speech, and you can convert your equations into Python code, and other important things for writing. So summarize, and also you will be having this essay generation, and you can convert generate outline for your thesis. So like that, what you want you can do. And also the important option is the chat. So a chat option is enabled here, so you can ask Moline anything. So generate an abstract on title grid connected PV system for electric vehicle charging station. So here it will also act as a chatbot. So what every chatbot will do, so it acts as a chatbot and generate a content. So you can ask anything, as like you will do in ChatGPT. By giving a proper prompt, you can avail the best answer out of it. So you can make use of this chat option in this Moline AI to ask anything related with your research article preparation also. So these are the important options available in this Moline. So these are the pricing options here in Moline. So here you can, if you want to upgrade, so click on this upgrade. So these are the pricing plans. So you can use it for free for unlimited words, 50 pro template generations, write in 10 plus languages. So MS Word like document editor. So 5 documents, 7-day document history. So these are the important options you can avail for free. So if you are interested in, so if you are use this for your research or paper preparation, especially for the typos error, it will work out well. So you can go for this subscription option. So go on and explore this Moline AI. So it is one of the important AI tool, especially for writing research article. So and also you will be having important option is called a chatbot. So make use of this Moline AI and make your research article writing simple. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.